Welcome back, guys, to Investing in Stock 101. Up to that point, I know you've been doing well. You've been steady. You print out all the presentation. You've been using them. You are in your way to be a better investor. Education is key to anything. I learn everything. I'm a student myself. I practice what I preach. So what stock to buy is the questions. After we learn all these things, we have to put them into practice. Okay? So how do you determine what stock to buy? Okay, so that's the great thing. What's trade? What you need to trade? So let's look at what you need to trade. So before you can buy a stock, you need to understand: is it good for you? Is it the right one? Determine what to trade. One of the things you need to understand: you need to learn to analyze company fundamentals. I am a value investor. I'm following great investors. I'm learning about investing. Once in a while I do a couple short trade, but I'm an investor at heart. So I love investing for dividend for long term, and then so I can get a good return on my money. Short term, not really my interest, but once in a while I do some short trading. Okay, so you need to evaluate the company. For you to do that, you need to analyze the company's financial statements. Financial makeup and position of a company are the financial health of the company. That's the you need to do a health check. When you go to the doctor check you, right? They do a health check for you. They check everything: your high blood pressure, you know, your breathing. They looking at your pulse. You need to do that for a company as well. You can't just come and buy the company. You need to health check it. The way you do that, you analyze their financial statement. Financial statement will tell you a lot about a company. Okay, so here's what are the three main one that you need to look at: the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. Those are the three main one you need to know. And no, we're gonna see that in a minute. But income statement give you the revenue, earning from operations, the expenses, and also they give you the net income, revenue minus expenses. That with the net income before taxes, you'll be able to look at this company is doing well. If it's not doing well, we know that they're gonna have a negative earnings, net income, negative net income. If they have a positive net income, things all might be looking good. And then make sure you look at the last 3 years. Okay, balance sheet. You find all that company own, all the liability, all the thing they owe, and then if you do minus asset minus liability, is gonna give you owner's equity. As an owner, you want to have a positive equity. Right? Asset minus liability. In cash flow statement, how the company use cash. Okay, how does my company use cash? You look at cash from operation, cash from investment, cash from debt. So if they have a lot of debt, could that be a red flag, right? If the operation is not producing any cash, is it there's no cash flow for operation. Investment, they don't have any investment, right? They are borrowing money, but they don't have anything invested. So it could that be an issue? So these are some of the things. The first thing you need to know: what to buy, what stock to buy. You have to determine what to trade, and the statements will give you everything you need to know. I'll see you next time when we're gonna take each one and break them down.